So next I'm going to review with you with the cardiac, myocardium, the cardiac cells, how the muscle fibers, how they actually contract and relax, or so when the heart is pumping. I don't want to go in too much detail here. I just want to kind of give it to you in a nutshell. So you have the muscle fiber here, the myofibril, and the myofibril is just basically a series of sarcomeres. So I took out one of these sarcomeres here. So there's a series of sarcomeres that compose the myofibril. And so for each of these sarcomeres you have actin and you have myosin that's contained in it. And surrounding the actin is troponin and tropomyosin. Now normally when the muscle fiber shortens or contracts, or when those myocardial cells contract to cause pumping of the heart, what happens is that calcium will actually bind to troponin here and then allow that myosin to attach to actin and cause shortening of that muscle fiber or contraction. So a little cross bridge here where myosin can attach to actin and cause that shortening of the muscle fiber and contraction. If you don't have calcium that's coming into play and that's binding to troponin, then the myosin can't bind to that actin, and then you have that lengthening of the muscle fiber, or you have relaxation of the muscle. So it's the calcium that actually allows for contraction of that muscle fiber. And previously when we talked about depolarization of the cell, when the cell gets more excited, is more positively charged inside and more negatively charged outside, and it causes that action potential where it sparks off. Well, also during depolarization, calcium is going to get released from its stores in that myocardial cell, because once the cell's gotten excited, because you need that electrical conduction first before the heart can contract, so once it's gotten excited, calcium gets released because it's getting ready then to cause this contraction of those cells, so the heart will pump. And that's it.